Hello, dear friends. Today I'll show you powerful Japanese anti-aging secrets, 100-year-old recipes that erase wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin, even at the age of 70. These masks smooth fine lines, lighten dark spots, and give your skin a youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. Let's begin by blending fresh tomatoes into a smooth puree. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They tighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and prevent premature aging. First recipe: take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. And add 1 egg white. Egg white is rich in proteins and tightens the skin, reducing sagging and fine lines. Benefit: this mask deeply cleanses, tightens pores, and instantly lifts the skin. How to use: apply the mixture evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Moisturize well afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments which city you are watching us from. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Egg yolk nourishes and softens the skin, while milk brightens and evens out the skin tone. This mask deeply hydrates, improves elasticity, and reduces wrinkles. How to use: apply generously to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water, followed by cool water. Finish with moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe: take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, and half a teaspoon of avocado oil. Oatmeal gently exfoliates and soothes the skin. Avocado oil nourishes with vitamins and fatty acids, improving elasticity. This mask smooths wrinkles, softens dry skin, and gives a natural glow. How to use. Apply the mixture evenly on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then splash with cool water. Moisturize after. Repeat 2 times a week. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Half teaspoon of honey. Yogurt brightens and hydrates. Honey heals, softens, and prevents premature aging. Benefit: this mask rejuvenates dull skin, reduces spots, and leaves your skin radiant. How to use. Apply with gentle circular motions to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm and then cool water. Apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Fifth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. 1 teaspoon of potato starch. And half teaspoon of jojoba oil. Potato starch firms and brightens the skin. Jojoba oil deeply moisturizes and restores balance. This mask lifts, smooths wrinkles, and reduces pigmentation. How to use. Spread the mask evenly over your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Hydrate well. Repeat twice a week. Sixth recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And 1 capsule of vitamin A. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes. Vitamin A stimulates collagen and prevents wrinkles. Benefit: this mask restores youthfulness, improves skin texture, and slows aging. How to use. Apply the mask evenly to clean skin, including face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse first with warm water and then with cool water. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.